Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist. So today we're looking at our 2016 Mini Lite Rockwood by Forest River. And hey Terry, what are you doing down here, man?
I had the slide out and found a missing bolt on the main bracket under here. I was wondering why his floor was...
Oh yeah, so the main bracket off the main ram ripped loose, or just the bolt backed out?
Bolt came off, backed off.
Did it cause any damage on the inside at all?
A little tear on his floor, so they was wondering what the cause of that was, and I'm pretty sure this is it.
Okay. All right, well, make sure you guys check your slide out rooms, like in this example, just from vibration. This is something that's directly over the axles. So things do shake and come loose on these units. Make sure that you're taking your unit into a shop if you're watching this video, or if you look up what type of slide out system you have, and check out the owner's manual instructions to make sure that you're doing your proper maintenance. Make sure that everything's lubed, torqued correctly, and not missing nothing or coming apart. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you soon with a little bit more info. Have a great day.